just acquired this lovely looking Ford Mondeo diesel. It's got high specification, beautiful colour blue. It's got front park distance control. Obviously it's the facelift model. Got alloy wheels. It's got rear park distance control as well. Stunning condition. Got a huge boot on these. It's in beautiful condition. This car does not drive or look anywhere near its mileage. It really doesn't. Interior is in superb condition. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. Push start. 114,211 miles. It's got cruise control, Microsoft Sync, satellite navigation, touch screen. It's lovely. Got Bluetooth connectivity, full media pack. The AUX and USBs there. So it's in fantastic condition. DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.